Hey, I'm Jasmine and I'm a medical assistant with Aylo Health. Working at Aylo Health has put my career on the path to success. After I finished medical assistant school, I was really excited to just put my skills to use. And I know that I don't have that opportunity in other places, but working at Aylo, I'm not just shuffling patients in and out. I'm not getting people coffee. I'm actually getting to help, and I get to see a direct impact that we have with our patients as well. Aylo has great benefits that include paid childcare, paid time off, medical, dental, vision care, great pay as well. I mean, the list is fantastic. The culture at Aylo is truly unmatched. This is an environment where you feel supported and you feel like you are invested in. This is something that I'm extremely passionate about, and I wanted to work in an environment that would support my passion and would push me beyond just, showing up and doing my job and kind of going home. I wanted an environment where we felt like a family and everyone truly cared about the work they were doing, and that's what I get when I come to work every day. Aylo also provides a monthly bonus that I'm able to receive, and that is directly related to my performance and how I help patients. And it's just a testament to them pouring into me, pouring into the other medical assistants, and showing how much they truly care about us. I would recommend Aylo to anyone who is looking for a family environment to work for, a place that's going to be supportive of what you want to do in your career, because that's what you get when you're here. You get an environment that wants to pour into you and wants to see you succeed.